So, how was it working, collaborating with Sandara and SB19? At sino yung mga gusto nyo pang makakollab in the future?
Oh, grabe po yun eh. Kasi we're not there just for the collaboration. We're also there para po matuto din. We learned a lot from these artists, their work ethic, how they perform, how they are as artists. And as starting artists, ang dami po namin natutunan actually. And for Dream Collabs, Acer?
Yeah, totoo po. And each artist have their own team, their own dancers. So we learn a lot, as AJ said. And grabe yung feeling na nung nasa stage po kami, na parang, oh my gosh, eto na, the one that we've been practicing.
Sobrang iconic nung In or Out kasi bata pa lang ako. Diba? Yun yung tone nating lahat eh. In or Out. Tapos we love to be performing it with Ate Sandara. Never in my young AJ will imagine na mapaperform niya with Ate Sandara. So grabe po talaga yung experience.
Thank you.